A couple of months ago I bought this beautiful Ducati Desert X, and if I'm honest, I absolutely love it. And these are 5 reasons why. So my name is Dennis and welcome back to yet another video. We're going to talk about 5 things that I love about this bike. Of course, there are a lot of more things that I love about this bike, but yeah, I want to make a short video about this and that's why I chose 5 things. So let's dive in. So let's talk first about this beautiful, powerful, lightweight 937cc Testaceretta engine. I absolutely love this engine. I think it's really powerful. It has a really good quick shifter with the right amount of adjustments. It sounds awesome. It's good on-road, it's good off-road. Yeah, I absolutely love this engine. I think the engine is one of the best aspects of this bike. In comparison, if you compare it to, let's say, the normal 2-in-line engines or 3-cylinder engines or anything like that, this engine has a lot more character than those engines, in my honest opinion. The 2-cylinder engines are great, but a little bit boring. And the 3 cylinders are, in my mind, yeah, just really nervous engines. And this one is really good. It has a lot of character. It's not nervous, it's powerful. Yeah, love it. So one of the reasons why I really love this bike is its off-road capabilities. Because it's not really heavy, it's just the right amount of weight. It has enough power, it has really easy riding modes like Enduro and Rally. Rally is not easy, but really fun. Enduro is just easy, good for a beginning off-road rider like me. Yeah, I really love the off-road capabilities of this bike. That's the reason why I love it. You know what I also really like? The headlight. I think it's iconic, it looks really good, and it is also a really good working headlight. In the night when I'm riding in the dark, yeah, it's just awesome. And yeah, who doesn't like this look? The third thing I really like is the looks overall. I think this bike has a really 90s vibe, 80s vibe, a Dakar vibe. Just really different when you compare it to, like, let's say a Touareg or Tenere F100 or a KTM. It has its own unique design. It's a really good mix between retro and modern. Yeah, of course, looks are very subjective, but yeah, the looks are one of the things that I really like about this bike. Beautiful. I talked about the off-road capabilities, but one thing to not forget, this is a really good on-road bike. In comparison between the KTM, Tenere 700, the Touareg, this bike is on-road just as fun as off-road, and that's one of the things that I really like about this bike. It's sporty, it's nimble, there's a really good quick shifter, and it's just fun to ride on-road as well as off-road. One of the things that I really love about this bike is the feel of this bike. Everything feels high quality. Of course, it's an expensive bike, but you get that back when you touch the bike like this and like this. Yeah, I love it. If you haven't noticed already, I absolutely love this bike, and I highly recommend to check this bike out and to maybe even consider to buy it, because it's an awesome bike, it's really fun. Yeah, I absolutely love it. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please leave a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, please write them down below. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider to do so, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.